Xpress Pharmaceutics is a more recent innovation that we introduced, and the process is very systematic from pre-formulation all the way through first-in-human clinical trial material supply. And it offers several benefits to customers because of the speed with which we can get this across anywhere from 12 to 16 weeks, including stability, at least 1 month of stability in it. And it is very cost efficient, time efficient to get the product. And we have developed processes in such a way that we could also give the dose flexibility, meaning we will provide a fill along with a pre-dried air fill capsule, what we call, that the physician or the clinician where the clinical trial is taking place could dose that particular amount. Instead of pre-encapsulated product, you have the flexibility to fill whatever volume you want. So we send the fill ready to be dosed into capsules and into the patient at the end user place.